In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix something went wrong on LinkedIn. If you're seeing that vague error when you try to open the app, refresh your feed, or send a message, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear, practical sequence that usually gets LinkedIn running smoothly again, and I'll explain why each fix helps so you know what's happening behind the scenes. Start by updating the LinkedIn app. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for LinkedIn, and if you see an update button, tap it. Let the update finish completely before opening the app again. App updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility changes that directly address errors like something went wrong. So this is the quickest win. Next, check your phone's software. Go to settings and look for software update or system update. If an update is available, install it and give your device a moment to apply the changes. An outdated operating system can cause conflicts with newer app versions, so keeping your phone up to date helps LinkedIn and other apps run as intended. If you're on Android and the issue persists, clear the LinkedIn app's data and cache. Press and hold the LinkedIn icon, tap the small I for app info, go to storage, then tap clear data or clear storage and confirm. This wipes out corrupted temporary files and resets the app environment. You'll be logged out, but your account is safe. You can sign back in when you reopen the app. After you've made these changes, fully close LinkedIn and reopen it. Give it a few seconds to load on the first launch. It may be slightly slower as it rebuilds its cache and reinitializes background services, which is completely normal. Now check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more stable. Try loading a couple of other apps or websites to confirm your connection is working. If things feel slow or inconsistent, reconnect to the network and try LinkedIn again once your connection stabilizes. It's also possible the problem is on LinkedIn's side. If their servers are down or under maintenance, the app can misbehave no matter what you do locally. In that case, the best approach is to wait a bit and try again later. If nothing else works, reinstall the app, uninstall LinkedIn, head back to your app store, reinstall it, and log in again. A clean install replaces any damaged files and often resolves lingering glitches. And that's it. If this helped you get LinkedIn back on track, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward LinkedIn tips and tutorials.